Welcome to back my channel Car Crest. Please subscribe, like, share. Here's a short YouTube article script around 3 minutes for the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 140 motorcycle, perfect for a video voiceover or vlog style. Intro 0-100. Visuals. Cinematic shots of the KLX 140 on dirt trails, revving engine. Voiceover. Meet the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 140, a dirt bike that blends fun, performance, and reliability for riders of all levels. Whether you're a beginner hitting the trail for the first time or a casual rider looking for weekend fun, this lightweight machine is ready to go. Performance and engine 0-30. Visuals. Close-ups of the engine, riding shots on trails. Voiceover. The KLX 140 is powered by a 144cc air-cooled, 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. It's smooth, predictable, and beginner-friendly, but don't let that fool you. This bike can rip through trails with a surprising amount of torque and top-end pull. The 5-speed manual transmission gives riders full control, while the electric start makes ignition effortless. Design and comfort 115. Visuals. Showing seat height, frame, suspension. Voiceover. With a low 31.5-inch seat height and a lightweight frame, the KLX 140 offers confidence to shorter or younger riders. The long travel suspension and 7.1 inches of ground clearance soak up bumps like a champ. Whether you're on a rocky climb or sandy trail, the KLX stays stable and responsive. Why it's great in 2025 to 2 o'clock. Visuals. Modern styling, riding alongside other bikes. Voiceover. In 2025, Kawasaki keeps the KLX 140 as a standout in its class. With its proven platform, updated graphics, and unbeatable reliability, it's still one of the best choices for learning and light trail riding. Affordable, fun, and low maintenance, it checks all the boxes. Outro 245. Visuals. Rider taking helmet off, walking away with the bike in the background. Voiceover. If you're looking to level up your off-road game without breaking the bank, the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 140 might be your perfect match. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want to see a full ride review. Would you like me to write a YouTube title, description, and tags too?